Mutongoria wa maria anene mbunge ni Opiyo Wandayi na ugite makethirwa mari na mucemanio wa abunge monde mangwataniro inu ntuko ya ruyu augite makariria montu menge marebo ma financial bill ya mwaka wa 2023 na RWARIA rwanterecho chere cia Azimio la Umoja na Kenya Kwanza ni BIPARTISAN talks ni nauretie abunge monde gwikinya mucemanio ni uyu ni kenda kunenkanira maoni mao akiwaga nkinya no mabange na mucemanio wa madaraka.
MUCEMANIO Ya Azimio la Umoja ulirigirwa kuthurania bunge bonde mbala bende ya ngwatanĩro Azimio gwitukira bia mankurani kuringana na mutongoria bala banini bungeni Opiyo Wandayi kwina monto marito mala batumite beta MUCEMANIO jo.
This meeting is going to come up with far-reaching resolutions that will have great ramifications, not only on the politics of the country, but also on the socio-economic architecture of our nation.
Boambele ni loalia la muswada finance bill ulawendekithitwe ni Rais William Ruto na ulomba kwithirwa uli mujadala munene ona bunge ya sokera kiuma tuthiite. Opiyo akeleitha kiti MUCEMANIO jo ukithirwa kinenkanira murungamo wa ngwatanĩro Azimio ukoni na muswada jo kagita kara Rais William Ruto ethire twakiulia Raila na kambiae kugwata mbaru.
The raging matter, the very, very important matter of finance bill 2023. The coalition has pronounced itself on the matter previously. But you also want the PG to take a position, of course, in consonance with the position taken by the wider coalition.
Kulingana na Opiyo, MUCEMANIO jo kethirwa kijukia mwerekela ukoni alwalelo luthiritulo kiendelea gatika ngwatanĩro Azimio na ile Kenya Kwanza kagita kara ntuko ithandatu ile banenkirete ngwatanĩro Kenya Kwanza ikethirwa ikithira muthenyo haro.
And obviously we shall be appraised on the progress so far, if any, made by the bipartisan committee.
Kulingana na mutongerio jo babanini MUCEMANIO jo bado kethirwa kireithia kethirwa ngwatanĩro Azimio ikethirwa ikithithia mambura mwanya madaraka muthenyo wena kando na mambura manene mathirikari. Mweno ogu MUCEMANIO jo kethirwa kinenkania matagaria mara makajukirwa bunge bala bathamite na kuthiki ngwatanĩro ya Kenya Kwanza.
If it comes under AOB, we shall deal with it. And if it is the view of the majority of members that we do something in that direction, we shall pronounce ourselves on the same tomorrow. We, of course, must underscore the need for party discipline. There is no option about this. Every single member of a political party or the coalition of Azimio should ordinarily adhere to the tenets that govern the coalition. And again, if that is brought up under AOB, we shall deal with it.
Kuma muji munene wa Nairobi, Mbita Antony, Rangi wa Kathinya.